Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I have some exciting news that I've personally been waiting for the past like 2 years, and that is Manny MUA's brand Lunar Beauty to drop mystery boxes again. I had the most awful FOMO, which is fear of missing out, the last time he did boxes because there was so much launching all at the same time. I'm pretty sure Jeffree boxes were launching at the exact same time and other things that I was purchasing, and I just wasn't familiar with Lunar Beauty. It was a newer brand and I hadn't tried anything from them, so I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna pass. And then I was seeing people unboxing and showing their photos on Instagram, and I was like, oh no, I missed out. And there was 3 different boxes, such good amazing products in them. So I'm going to be going over all the information from the Lunar Beauty mystery box reveal video from Manny MUA, as well as give you thoughts and opinions. I'm going to be giving you what came in his last mystery boxes and that information and what to look for, and also which one I think that you should probably buy. So let's go ahead and get into the video, but before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, and let's go ahead and get started. Also, I am going to be doing a huge giveaway. I was going to be doing it on Friday, but my mystery boxes for Jeffree Star have delayed to Monday now. So Monday, stay tuned for a giveaway. Anyways, hopefully it doesn't get pushed back anymore. So, Lunar Beauty mystery boxes, you guys. They're going to be launching Friday, February 4th. So, they are launching tomorrow. So, get your coin in check and all of that. Also, they do have Afterpay. So, Friday, February 4th, tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So for me, Central Time, that is 12. Eastern, that is 1. Just look up your time zones, yada, yada, yada. Now, these mystery boxes back in 2019 sold out pretty freaking quickly. So I have a feeling these are going to sell out really fast because Lunar Beauty, Manny MUA has so many fans, and he did mention that they were going to be limited quantities, which I will get into later into the video. So there's going to be 3 box tiers. We have the Mercury box, Venus, and Mars. So the Mercury box is the smallest box. It's only going to be $50, and the value of the box is going to be around $110. The Venus box, which is your medium-sized box, is going to be $95 with an average around $220 value, and the Mars box is going to be $140 with around $335 worth of value. Now there is going to be some custom mystery box items coming in here, and I think that based off of what he said, I'm not sure exactly what. Let's read. So these custom mystery box items, he did state, might launch later with his brand depending on the reviews of these boxes and if we want to see any of those products coming to the brand so everybody can purchase. So as of now, it is considered a mystery box exclusive, but if, you know, the fans are like, please bring this to your brand, he will indeed do so. That is something to note. And like I said, he stated that he does not have a crazy amount of units for each box because of the huge savings. So there's not going to be a large amount of units. So I have a feeling these are going to sell out pretty quickly. So like I said, custom items in each box. So box number 1, which is the smallest box, let me just tear this off so I can see that. Okay. So the Mercury box is going to have at least 1 custom item. The second box is going to have at least 2 custom items, and the third box is going to have at least 3 custom items. So it says they're customized for the box. They're not crazy big items, not a palette. and smaller things he has for the brand that he created for the boxes. So we do have a mystery shade. It's literally called like mystery shade. It's a gloss and it will be coming in all boxes. So we do know that the at least one in the Mercury $50 box is going to be this mystery shade gloss, which is actually really, really pretty. He said it's an intense reflective golden gloss with a frosty pink and gold shift. So very excited about that. It did look really, really beautiful. beautiful. So I have high hopes for that. So I'm not sure. Well, he did say they were all going to come in the boxes. So there's 2 items in the $95 box, which is the Venus box. So one's the gloss. I'm excited to see what that one's going to be. And then obviously the 3 items that are coming in the Mars $140 box, one's going to be a gloss. I'm also wondering, because when we go over the other mystery boxes that he did, it was very repetitive depending on. So it's kind of like if you get the biggest box, you're going to get everything that was in the other boxes. But then there was also just a smidge of variation, which we will also get into. So you can guarantee whatever is coming in the first and the second box is going to be coming in the third box, but that third box is going to have one more customized exclusive item that he created. So next page, next information we have, oh yeah, if any of these products are a hit, he will launch for the brand, but for now it's just for the boxes. And discount codes for Lunar Beauty is not going to work on these mystery boxes because of the huge savings. So if you were hoping that you were going to save a little money on top of saving a lot of money, unfortunately the codes are not going to work. But something super exciting and a little extra coming in the box. He said he bought an accessory item that's not going to be a part of the value, and it's not going to be a part of the extra cost. It's just like, you know, something that he's giving everyone as like a bonus item. Not everyone's going to get it. It's just going to be, he said, sprinkled within the boxes. And it's going to be a necklace. And it's just going to be random. And there's 400 necklaces that are going to be, you know, dispersed throughout each tier of the boxes. So 400 people is going to get lucky enough to get a necklace for free as like an added bonus gift, which is, I think, really, really cool. Like, that's exciting. So he thought it was, you know, cute. So I get it. I think if I had a mystery box, I would just want to put fun little items in there too. So he did also say that there will not be any clothing items like last time because his clothing is not in his warehouse. Somebody else does them, so it just wouldn't be possible to have the clothing items in the mystery boxes. But to make up for the lack of his clothing merch items, that's why he wanted to make some customized makeup items that will be coming in the mystery boxes. So let's quickly go over the full list of products that came in all 3 of the boxes back in 2019. So the Crescent Moon box was $35 with $120 worth of value. First item was a necklace, which was shaped like a crescent moon. Then there was the Wicked liquid lipstick, which is a black shade. Another liquid lip in the shade Dreamsicle, which is like a pinky coral. The Aphrodite liquid lip, which is a red. And the palette that came in the box was Greek Goddess. So all of that came in the little box for $35, okay? Which is insane. And then the middle tiered box was called the Half Moon box, which was $70 with a $220 value. And what came in there was the exact same necklace, the Aphrodite liquid lip, the Dreamsicle liquid lip, and the highlighter in Jupiter, which is his Moon Prism powder. Then there was 2 palettes, the Strawberry Dreams palette and the Greek Goddess palette, which that's also exciting. But you see how there's like the repeated items depending on like the tiers. So then the Full Moon box, which is the third box, $140, $320 worth of value. So the clothing item was this cute pink hoodie with like his logo, the little moon on the side. And then there was a huge makeup bag. I thought it was pretty cool. It was like huge with like compartments and everything. It was great. And then the Jupiter highlighter, which is the Moon Prism powder, came in there. And then the Mars Moon Prism powder came in there. Dreamsicle liquid lip, Aphrodite liquid lip, the Wicked liquid lip, the lip gloss in Dreamy, which is like a peachy sheer shade, and an Enchantment lip gloss, which is a sparkly shade with like a pink and blue shift, and then Strawberry Dreams palette, Greek Goddess palette. But I also saw some photos on Instagram where people got other items in their boxes. For instance, they got different merch items. So somebody got like a blue hat, somebody got a Manny MUA black t-shirt, t-shirt. Somebody else got a pink hat and a Manny MUA t-shirt. Also, the Lives of Drag palette, and it looks like some pins. And that was for the Crescent Moon mystery box. So that box, which is the smallest box, had a little bit of different variation. But based off of all the unboxings that I saw, because I was going through unboxings and just looking and, you know, taking reference, pretty much that's exactly what every single person got, but then the Instagram photos were just a little bit different. So I didn't do like tons and tons of research, but this is just basically what you're going to expect. And since there's not any merch items, I'm wondering if, you know, this is how he's going to set the boxes up again, where it's, you know, you're going to get this amount of products, these specific items in the small box, and then in the next two you're going to get those same items and then a few extra items added in, and then those items are going to be in the last box with a few more items. So I'm not sure how he's going to set it up, only because he does have so many more products than when he first did these mystery boxes. He's got tons of new launches, lots and lots of different, you know, colors and variety and stuff. So I don't know if he's going to set it up the exact same way again, or if each box is going to be completely different. Not sure. For being safe and, you know, wanting to dabble with Lunar Beauty and all of that, I do think for me personally, I'm going to get the $140 box, which is the Mars box, because just in case I don't want to get a bunch of repeats, the only Lunar Beauty item I do own is the Lives of Drag palette, the original, and I love it. That's the most featured palette on my channel to date. I've used it a million times for looks. I absolutely love it, and I'm probably going to hit pan on the white shade in there. So I just wanted to give you that. So like I said, I want to purchase the 140 box just in case, because I do not want to get repeats. But then again, you know, who knows. But yeah, I do plan on getting a box. I'm super excited. I've always wanted to try things from his brand that weren't just the Lives of Drag palette. I'm just somebody who doesn't really purchase older makeup. I like to purchase new launches so I can review them, because that just is much smarter for my money, because I am a small channel. So I'm not just, and plus I have a ton of products. I really don't need anything older, but getting them in a mystery box for a huge discount savings is absolutely amazing. So I am going to be on the website right at launch time and hopefully get my box. Like I said, limited units, and these are always, after the last ones, they were highly requested again to be done, and people were in love with them. I don't even think there was one negative thing that anybody said. And for me, I probably won't get any repeats, because like I said, I own one palette, and that's the Lives of Drag, the OG palette. But anyways, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you planning on getting one of these boxes? Are you excited? Have you ever tried anything from Lunar Beauty? What have you tried? Let me know down in the comments below. So excited, and I can't wait to get one. I will see you guys in my next video. That was the weirdest exit. Have a good day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.